to my channel. I am Vivia, and this is episode 16 of my vlog. I am here at one of my favorite places in the whole world, Malibu, and I'm here with one of my most favoriteest people in the whole world. Who would that be? It's my niecey poo, Zharia. Say hi.
Hello, world.
Hi, hello, world.
It is.
And I'm so happy for you to be here.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Yes. Next week, Zharia is going to be turning 16.
Yes, the big one, 6. You already know how I'm coming.
Yes, we know how you coming. You're not playing no games.
Right. No games.
No games.
No games.
No games.
Okay.
Okay. No games at all. Zharia is having a big Hollywood birthday party at an exclusive location. Exclusive VIP location. Let me switch sides because the sun is trying to play me. Yes, look at the ocean is right behind us. Look at the waves and such.
Amazing.
Amazing. Get out, you're in the shadow. Get out of the shadow. Okay, there you go. Find your light. Find your light. But listen, one of the things that I wanted to talk about here is the difference between from when I was 16 and when Zharia, now being 15, soon to be 16, some of the differences. And one of the things that I noticed for my niecey poo Zharia is I feel like she's so much more confident and well aware than I believe I was at her age. And so Zharia, do tell, how does one become so amazing as you at an age of 15 going on 16?
Well, I believe no one can be as amazing as me. Confidence all starts with yourself. You have to believe that you are beautiful. You have to believe you're smart. You have to believe you're intelligent. You have to believe that you can do it. And as soon as you start with yourself, then you can start building onto like how you take negativity. And when people call you oversized or when people call you ugly, you have to learn how to take that. And it might take time. I mean, it took time for me, and it took a lot of life lessons for me to be able to understand that I am beautiful, and that and to understand that God built me in a great and wonderful, fantastic, marvelous way. And yeah, so now I just love myself.
And just to clarify, when you say take that, you know, tell us, what do you mean by take that?
People are going to make fun of you. People are going to talk to you, talk bad about you. So you have to take it, meaning you have to be able to think, you know, what should I do? You know, so-and-so just called me ugly. What should I do? And I mean by take it, I mean like be able to, even if they give you negativity, you should be able to give them positivity. That's what I think, you know? Yeah.
That's a word. That's a word. A word from a 15 going on 16 year old.
Yeah.
Yes. What is one of the greatest things that you've learned and been amazed about yourself?
Also just the beauty, the fact, because like a lot of people don't like big lips. Big lips are amazing to me. And I just think that is just so awesome. But yeah, I've absorbed the fact that I just have so many talents, and I've accepted the fact as well. And also just my lips, because I was just very self-conscious about my lips. It was horrible. But yeah, yeah.
Why, girl? You got them super coolers. Why you mad about them lips?
Thanks. I don't know. It's probably because, I mean, people talked about them all the time. And like I said, I didn't think I was cute. I didn't think I was beautiful until like a couple years ago. But I kind of just took it, and I was like, you know, hey, whatever, I have big lips. And then I just kind of started to become more like, wow, about it, because it's just phenomenal having big lips, you know? Okay.
Hey, people is paying for them lips.
Right.
So
for real,
don't
though.
even trip. Understand, people are trying to get them lips.
Right.
But they are natural for you.
Yes, they natural, baby.
People trying to get your lips. Tell them, no, no, you can't have my lips.
You can't have my lips.
Can't have my lips. You gotta get your own lips.
Right.
You're going into your junior year. What are you really looking forward to this year?
Absorbing the knowledge of my future. Even though I may know what I want to do, I might change my mind next year. You never know. So I just want to be open to all the opportunities that I have and absorb the information. So I guess I'm just looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to meeting new friends. I need more black friends. So that's what I'm very much looking forward to, is meeting other kids that look like me, because that will really help me in my life. Even though I have a lot, I still want more.
Yeah. And just for the people out there so they don't get that mixed up, you are currently in a predominantly Caucasian environment, which is a great, cool environment to be in. But what is it about wanting to be around more African American teens your age that you desire?
I feel like that gives me like positivity. Like, it just gives me motivation to see other girls, other black girls or other black boys doing greatness in the world, and it just gives me motivation to keep going with whatever I'm doing. And also, it's just a safe environment for me. Just being around all black people is kind of like very inspiring, just safe, because I'm not able to talk about certain things with my other friends that are of different races. Yeah.
In this day and age, people are taking a note from the youth. The Bible even says a child shall lead them. And when you look at the world today and the state of our world today, what are some things that you wish that the adults in the world today would get?
I would probably say that not every kid is the same. Like, you know, I just feel like they should understand, you know, especially about just how they are maturing and becoming. Not every kid's the same, you know. We're not all black girls, we're not all straight, we're not all religious. Like, I think they should just get that, especially in schools. I feel like teens are judged a lot by a lot of faculty members because they're not who they think they should be. So I feel like that could be one, is just like being able to accept children, not even children, everybody for who they are. Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Well, Nisi Poo, thank you for your time with me.
Thanks for having me.
Yes, thank you for coming on my vlog.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you too.
Your future is bright as the sun that shines on our face.
Thank you.
May you receive so many wonderful blessings in this world.
Thank you.
And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I encourage you, if you have young adults, if you have teens in your life and your family, spend time with them, get to understand the way that they're thinking, so that you can keep that connection strong and be a part of their lives in one way, shape, or form. Whether it's as a mentor or as having them being able to mentor you in some way, shape, or form. You just never know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to comment below and share if you had some things that connected with you and what Zharia said, or if you have any other questions for Zharia, we would love to hear from you. You can also connect with me on Instagram @QueenVivia, as well as Facebook and Twitter. You can subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Like, comment, and share if you feel led to.
And you can follow me on Instagram @ZHHARIA. And my Snapchat is ZEE.Armstrong with 2 G's. Okay, here we go, baby.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, get your own block. Thank you guys so much. God bless.